Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I know we don't like to talk about plungers and toilet brushes, but we all need one. And I want to show you this combo I just got. I've been loving the fact that the brush has a very good grip, as you can see. It's long enough, and I want you to pay close attention to the bristles. It has plenty of bristles helping your toilet to stay nice and clean. I love the plunger. This is my favorite, I think. I'm going to show you why. This is very functional, and this can be great for the sink, or we pull it out here on the inside. This can also work perfectly in the toilet, right here. For the toilet, you stick it in, and for the sink, just in case you're a woman and you're like me, always your hair is falling off, or you drop maybe makeup on this thing, this is going to be great. I also love this thing here of the plunger. You pull the tip, you're going to see it has right there to lift it up. You pull it out, and you're going to find this right here. Now, what are these tweezers for? This is great whenever you are washing your toilet or brushing using the brush. You're going to see little pieces of hair. If that's the case, you just tweeze it out and keep the brush clean. I love the caddy where it comes as well. Your brush fits perfectly here, and the plunger goes right in its place. This allows you to have this in your bathroom, making it look nice and organized as well. This also comes in a black color. So if you're looking to upgrade your brush and your plunger, I highly recommend this one, and that's my point of view.